First of all, open the browser and search Gemini AI Nano Banana. Now click on first link. This prompt is in the description box. Copy and paste the prompt to create image. Click here to download the image. Now open the Photoshop and create new document. I'm using A3 poster size. Now click on File and place Embedded. Select Image and press Enter. Repeat the same process and place second image. Remove the background of Kulfi image. Select Garba image, click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Keep blur radius around 8 pixels and press OK. Now click on Layer Adjustment and Curves. Now add some darkness. Select Brush tool. Make sure foreground color is black. Create new layer. Select eyedropper tool and pick light color. Now select brush tool and follow the process. Decrease brush opacity around 45%. Change blend mode normal to overlay. Decrease opacity around 85%. Select brush tool and add some lightness here. Select Kulfi layer, click on Adjustment Layer and Curves. Add some darkness. Create clipping mask and add some lightness. Decrease opacity around 60%. Create new layer. Make sure foreground color is black. Select brush tool and follow the process. Select Horizontal Type tool. I'm using Balu regular font for this poster theme. Text size around 30 point. You can use this same color code. Now write your text here. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Change text size. Change text color. Now it's done. Hold down Shift plus Alt plus Control and press E. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Now click on Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Now follow the same process and play with filter. Comment Happy Navratri for this free PSD file. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.